Good morning, students. In previous class, I had taught you using number line find the values of the following. In this period, I am going to tell you find the following products using number line. संख्या रेखा का प्रयोग करते हुए निम्नलिखित का गुणनफल ज्ञात करें. फाइंड द फॉलोइंग प्रोडक्ट्स. एग्जाम्पल 3. फाइंड द फॉलोइंग प्रोडक्ट्स. फाइंड द फॉलोइंग प्रोडक्ट्स and the following products using number line. Using number line. 2 into 6. Using number line, we have learnt about addition and subtraction, and in example 3, we are going to multiply 2 into 6. Multiply 2 into 6 using number line. So, at first, we draw a number line. At first we draw a number line and take a point O on it, and after some equal distances marks 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Mark following numbers on number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Here we start from the point O. Starting from the point representing 0, on moving 6 times, each time moving 2 steps. Each time moving 2 steps. After 6 times, each time moving 2 steps. After 6 times, we reach at the point. We reach at the point 12. So, if we multiply 2 by 6, the product is 12. Hence, 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Again, I am going to explain. At first, we draw a number line and take a point O on it. After starting from O, we mark as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Starting from O, we move 2 steps in one time. After 6 times we reach at the point 12. Each step is 2 units. Each step on starting from O and moving 6 times. Each step is 2 units. Then we reach, after 6 times, we reach at point 12. Hence 2 into 6 is equal to 12. And similarly, if you have to multiply 3 by 3, value of 3 into 3. Same as draw a number line and take a point O on it and marks number line by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. 3 into 3. We have to multiply 3 by 3 using number line. So, take 1 unit is equal to 3. Take 1 unit is equal to 3, starting from the point representing 0 on moving 3 times. Each time taking 3 steps. 1 step starting from O, 2 steps, 3 steps. Each time taking 3 steps, 3 units. Each time taking 3 units to the right. We move after 3 times. After 3 times, we reach at the point we reach at the point 9. So using the number line, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Hence, again, draw a number line and take a point O on it, starting from O, on moving 3 times, each time taking 3 units. After 3 times, we reach at the point 9. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Similarly, you can solve value of 4 into 2, value of 3 into 4, value of 6 into 4, and similarly you can represent 3 into 3 is equal to 9 using number 9. Now I am going to start exercise 2.1. In 1 number question, write the predecessor of the following numbers. You know that you have learnt in previous classes, to find the predecessor of the given number, we subtract 1 from the given number, and that number will be the predecessor of the following number. जब हम किसी संख्या में से 1 घटा देते हैं तो प्राप्त संख्या प्रेडिसेसर कहलाती है, दी हुई संख्या का प्रेडिसेसर कहलाती है. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रेडिसेसर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर. 3008 एक्सरसाइज. Exercise 2.1. First number problem. Predecessor of 3008. predecessor of 3008 is equal to 3008 minus 1 is equal to 3007. So the predecessor of 3008 is equal to 3007. In question number 1, 2, write the successor of the following number. To find the successor of the following number, we add 1 in the given number, 2 numbers. Answer 2 in 2 number question, write successor of 899 अनुवर्ती संख्या, 899 की अनुवर्ती संख्या, और प्रेडिसेसर मीन्स पूर्ववर्ती संख्या, पहले की संख्या। 3008 से पहले की संख्या क्या होगी? तो 3007, एक घटा देंगे। If you have to find the predecessor of the given number, you subtract 1 from the given number. And in question number 2, successor of 899 is equal to 899 plus 1. Adding 1, we get 900. So successor of 899 is equal to 900. Which number is greater in the following pairs of number? Which number is greater in the following pairs of number? You are given 2 numbers. And you have to following which is greater among 2 numbers, 749 and 708. It seems that 749 is greater than 708. So you can classify that which is greater. So it is not to solve. And in 4 number question, which of the following statements are true and which are false? Write T for true and F for false. 0 is the smallest natural number. Is it a statement right or wrong? If it is right, you write true against, and if it is wrong, you write false, F. So we know that 0 is not the smallest natural number, because we know that smallest natural number is 1. 0 is the whole number. So this statement is false, and you can write F against question number 4. So now you can solve all questions of this exercise. I give you task to complete this exercise. In next period, I will solve your problem. Thank you. बहुत जगह